Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fix a Read. Now, I've got a numeric keypad here. I wasn't going to do a video on this, but then I thought, hold on a minute, the channel's about fixing things, and I want to fix this, so may as well, even if it's short. Now, I use a laptop with two monitors attached, but the one thing that laptop hasn't got is your numeric keypad on the side. It's got the numbers across the top. So when I'm doing stuff with Excel and all that, I need the numbers. I do miss the numeric keypad, but it is what it is, and I've just carried on doing it that way. But I came across this that was getting thrown out in the office. I thought, oh, numeric keypad, which is clearly broken because there's no lead to it. So I thought, wonder if we can do anything with that. So let's take a look. Oh, there's no screws under there, is there? Yep. Yep. Okay, let's bring you in a bit more. Alright, use your wires here. Stop the camera shaking. This camera arm is rubbish, I gotta be said. Right. Doesn't look like it was cut, it looks like more it was ripped out. Okay. It's a membrane. And the data thing. I'll be trying to talk like I know what I'm on about. Right, so let's pull that out of there, move that over there. So we are left with this board. So we got, God, that's been ripped out, hasn't it? So that's ground. V, I would say that's volts then, is it? Voltage. So that's live. Because these are not the usual colours. You normally get black, red, white and green. Then we got data minus, data plus. Right, okay. So green on this is data plus, but usually it's data minus. Anyway, let's clean these up a bit first. Where's my tweezers? Because I don't want to burn my fingers off. There we are. Let's get them that flowed nice. Right. Where am I getting this lead from, you are asking me? Well, I've got this old keyboard, which I've already taken apart to make sure that it would be suitable. So what I'm going to do now is snip these wires. Actually, what I'll do is I'll snip them at the longest part. So that can come off, and that can come off. Snip them at the plug. There we are. Oh, it's like the alien skin. Oh, the alien's molting. Oh. Anyway, enough of that. So, I'm going to get this captain tape off. Captain's a tape player thing. Captain tape. Put that there. I'm gonna feed this back through because I don't want this. Do I? No. No, I don't. Right, here we are. So I don't need them all long either. Let's bring that over here. Let's put that there. So it comes through here. But there, so I don't need it long at all. So I just need it past there. The Butcher of Bakersfield. Yeah, Running Man. I like the Running Man. I don't know why it gets so much stick. I think it's a good film. This might be a little bit overkill, but why struggle? Why struggle? Take this out there. Move on now. Over here. Here we are. Right, let's go and see if it works. Okay, it appears, because I've just checked this website, I checked a couple of websites, and the first one I'm on said the white is the data plus. All the others say the green's the data plus. You don't need to see all this again, so let's jump ahead. Alright, so there he is. There's the lead. Excuse the noise outside, I don't know what's going on. Work that in. Whoa, we got a light. We got lightage. Alright, to go Excel sheet here. So I can see if I can bring you in so you can see me. Yes! Get in there! That's a win. That's a win. Right. Just a quick video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and comment and like and do all that good stuff. But until then, I will see you soon. Ta-da!